This is the shiniest car I think that we have. It just shines and sparkles and glistens everywhere, even underneath. Wait till you see the motor. The trunk compartment's glossy. It's a beautiful 1969 Plymouth GTX. Has the air grabber, 440 under the hood, power steering, power four-wheel disc brakes, beautiful white interior with the bucket seats, automatic shifter. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can see 200 classic cars, all for sale. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, this thing is slick. The body work is phenomenal. All the lines, body lines, all that is straight. It's like a mirror. Spanish gold. It's a nice light gold metal flake, all laid out evenly, all straight, square. Fender looks amazing. I mean, it literally looks wet. I think I made the comment too. It looks like it was dipped in clear coat. Everything sparkles. Door open very easily, shut like new. So it's all straight. The bottom is gloss black instead of a matte finish black. It's gloss. It looks great. All the lines, gaps, everything's beautiful on the body. Again, it's Spanish gold, rare color. It's a nice light gold. They had some darker golds too that weren't as pretty. It's like something dripped on it. That wipes off. All of this is super nice and clean all the way down to the bottom. Square, flush gaps. The door jambs are painted just as slick as the outside. Shuts like new. So like the bottom, this would be a matte finish. They did it in a gloss black. It looks beautiful. It's a functional air grabber hood, so that's designated with the red grills. If it was just for show, it would have black grills. So the air actually is sucked in here and fed fresh to the motor. It has the turn signal indicators up on the fenders. Everything's sparkling. Look at the emblem. I think this is supposed to just be like an aluminum trim or something, but it looks like it's chrome plated, all restored. The grill, the emblem sparkling, all that's restored. Of course, the bumper's been rechromed. The lenses look like new. Correct antenna, the base of it, all shiny. All this stainless trim is polished. Even the wiper arms are polished. The windshield and the side glass has all been replaced. Dual mirrors, they're both beautiful chrome. The door handles, all the trim down the sides are real nice. This is all polished. The vent window frames are new chrome. All new seals and weather strips. Original rear window, just a few minor light scratches. A new pearl white, not convertible top, vinyl top, in excellent shape. And then look back here. Look at the taillights and look at that center panel. Everything's sparkling. It's beautiful. Bumpers rechromed. I love the little red accent. Obviously red taillights, but red stripes. The red stripe down along the bottom on the tires and the grills. This is a beautiful car. Let's check out the inside. Wait till you see that motor. You're going to be impressed in here. Look at this. Look at it. It's just as shiny as the outside. Beautifully painted, clear coated. Look at the hinges. Look at the jamb. The whole inside of the trunk compartment, even under the mat, it's all done glossy and beautiful. Has a chrome latch. Reproduction mat and weather strip. Has a chrome wheel for a spare. This show board will come with it, and a car cover is included. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. You'll be notified as the new videos are posted. Check out the door jambs, how slick and shiny they are. They look like they're waxed and polished. And then the white interior is sharp looking. The white metal trim is repainted nicely. The door panels are replaced. As the wood grain, because the GTX was the upper scale model, the Roadrunner was kind of the base model as far as the muscle cars. So the whole dash area looks real nice. All the trim, the bezels, all looking really good. GTX comes with a tachometer. Dash pad, I'm sure, has been replaced. The controls are in good shape. The radio is in place, and so many times this is cut up or they got a homemade plate there, but that looks really good. It says GTX right here. It's buried underneath the plastic. Glove box is real nice. Opens upside down. I don't know why they did that, but that's how they were. Carpet's real nice, except for the dirt I just got on it. Embroidered mats. Real nice original console with working lights on each side. There's an owner's manual in the console. Now the seats, they've been rebuilt. They're tight as a drum, nice and firm, must have new cushions, all reupholstered. Headrests look real nice, so that part of it's all real good. Same thing in back, carpet and floor mats are excellent, all reupholstered. Full set of seat belts, front and back. Side panels look to be in really nice shape. The rear shelf is nice and clean, tight new headliner, no wrinkles, working dome light, shoulder belts, new visors, real nice original mirror. This is something they upgraded. They didn't come with tilt wheels. This has a nice new tilt column with a polished wood with aluminum spoke wheels. And then there's this red lever under the dash that opens up that fresh air into the engine compartment. If it's raining, you can close it. Even up by the hinges, it's polished paint. So this is a correct 1969 440, making at least 375 horsepower. Look at all the chrome. This is the factory air grabber setup, but they were not chrome, they were painted. So this is chrome, the base is chrome, and then the upper part here, this is where it seals into. This whole unit is chrome. I think normally they're painted orange. So a lot of extra sparkle. Underneath it is a polished aluminum intake with an Edelbrock carb, some chrome Mopar valve covers. The ignition system looks new. Look at the firewall. All the components look nice and clean and proper. The right hose clamps. The whole engine bay is painted real nicely. We got a chrome bracket here. Everything's proper. The squirters are hooked up. Both horns are in place. Now the front of the engine is all polished up. We got chrome alternator and brackets and pulleys. We got a chrome water pump. They must have added power steering. It's all modern. It's aluminum. Also an aluminum radiator, cap, and overflow bottle to keep it running cool. Chrome latch mechanism. So there's a hidden VIN number. You can't read it, but it is here. I read it. The VIN number of the car is stamped here. The battery's properly secured and has a disconnect switch. Here's the fender tag still in place, along with the power steering to make it easy. It also has power brakes. Looks like the wiper motor was restored. Looks like the wiring harness under the hood has been replaced. And again, just look at the whole overall engine compartment. It's beautiful. You open this up to show your friends or at a car show, and everyone's going to be like, wow. Michael's going to go show you how it runs. We'll see you in a few minutes.
Everybody got a really slick looking GTX here. I'm excited for this one. Extremely nice rotisserie restoration. Definitely check out pictures of the undercarriage. It's pretty sweet. This thing's got a really nice 440 under the hood. This is an air grabber car too, functioning air grabber. You got the little slide right there, so you can shut it on or off, whatever you'd like. And that's paired with a 727 torque plate automatic transmission. And I'm really fond of these cars. The first car that I ever drove when I was 14 years old had a 440 that I built in it, so these things are near and dear to my heart, and hopefully this one does not disappoint. Our shop went over it. We spent about a $4,000 bill on the car just to bring it to the next level. And if you need a full listing of that, just ask somebody in sales. It does have the fender mounted turn signal indicators that were optional. They are working. Let's see what she's got. Just like that, up to highway speeds with absolutely no problem. I tell you, yeah, some things never change, and the performance of this 440 is one of them. You know, very stock feeling, but more than adequate acceleration, and just a great driving experience altogether. Another thing that's fantastic is this interior. It's completely redone. These seats feel great. I like having the storage in the center console there, and it's a pretty slick feeling wheel too. It's got the finger grooves in the back, and it's just got a nice fat grip to it. So just another benefit here. Come out, test drive it for yourself. You're gonna love it, that's for sure. And check out all the details on our website at volocars.com.
So this was a rotisserie restoration. We actually have photos. Some of those will be posted to our website. Taken down to just a shell, and it was literally put on a rotisserie so they could flip it and work on the body from all angles, including the underneath. Underside of the car, just as shiny as this. It's all clean floors and rockers and frame rails. All that is spotless, all painted the same color, all glossy and fresh looking. All the suspension and steering's been rebuilt. The front K member, the big main piece that holds everything together up there, has been chrome plated, along with the sway bar, and the upper control arms have been chromed. So all of that is rebuilt. Rear suspension's rebuilt. Disc brakes at all four wheels. That was an upgrade they didn't have back then, but they've added the disc brakes in back, new brake lines. New fuel system. It's a stainless steel fuel tank, and it's polished like chrome. It looks beautiful. When you see the car from behind, you see the real shiny tank under there. New fuel lines. Nice dual exhaust system. It looks like it has a coating, ceramic coated, powder coated, but it's a real nice silver exhaust with Flowmaster mufflers. Looks like it's fat tailpipes with the correct chrome tips coming out the back. Now you look up at the motor, and you guessed it, it has a chrome oil pan and a high torque starter. The 727 Torque Flight automatic trans is VIN number matched to this car, and that's clean and functioning real well. In back is an 8 3/4 rear end with the standard 323 sure grip gears in there. So yeah, this car is just beautiful everywhere you look, just shiny, glossy, beautiful. I love the colors. If you ask me what my favorite colors on a car, gold wouldn't be the first one that comes to mind, but this whole combination, this light gold with the white and the black and the red accents, I think it's fantastic. I was at a show down south with about 450 cars. This was the star of the show. I knew I had to have it, and this is why. Go to volocars.com if you have to have it. Talk to the salesman. They'll answer the rest of your questions, including how to get your GTX delivered home. And if you need finance, they'll help with that too. Thanks for watching.